National Weather Service of Michigan has issued a tornado warning for North County, South County,
message has been translated to the request of the Michigan Police Department.
The National Weather Service
has been moving and it is unknown to be
severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado. This storm is very dangerous. Quickly grab a child. Quickly shelter on the lowest floor in a Harley Davidson. If no shelter is available, lie down in the nearest stitch. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you're outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This tornado has been issued in Michigan. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
As you can see, I'm on the Android Mega Mansion type a little bit glitchy. As you can see, I'm only 89% of the house. The tropical house. I'm only 89% of the house. What's happening? The tropical house. So let's go do the basement. Of course, I have 630. So let's go do the basement. Of course, I have 630 to the basement. Alright, let's go do the basement until I run out of money. Made it to the basement. Alright, let's go do the basement until I run out of money. I wonder if this is enough to complete the basement, or you need to do $1 billion. I wonder if this is enough to complete the basement, get the lanes, or you need to do $1 billion. So let's get the wall, get the lanes. Okay, that's cool. Good. And this. Okay, there's so much. Good. This. I wonder if that is okay. There's so much. This is a. Okay. What? Oh my god, is this? Bowling? Oh my god. What is this? Bowling? Oh my god. I ran out of money. I did not run out of money, guys. I ran out of money. I did not run out of money. I just want to save my $600 million, so let's go. I just want to save my. Why does it say I have regular $600 million? Why does it say I have regular $600 million? Elevator, but I'm gonna take the stairs. Because what if you get stuck in the elevator? I'm gonna take the stairs. What are you gonna do? Because what if you get stuck in the elevator? Let's go. What are you gonna do? Why are people have a little bit of money? Like why does he have 94? Why are people have a little bit of money? Like why does he have 42,000? I have 600 million. I cannot even have 42,000. I have 600 million. I cannot even scroll last. Oh, he has 904. Sorry about that noise. So he's last. That just annoys me so much. Sorry about that noise. That just annoys me so much. That's not Let's enough just grab to fame mate. And I have. That's not enough money to fame mate. I wish I have enough to buy the double cash. But I guess not. To buy the double cash because there's so much to do. Because there's so much to do. 91%. How much percent? 91%. Oh my 91%. Okay. 91%. I need to get 100%. Oh my god. 91%. Okay. Tables. I need to get 100%. This is gonna be ignore. And yes, tables. I have this helicopters. This is gonna be so. Ceiling. Yes, I have this lights. We need lights. Oh, this is a bowling area. Ceiling. Like by Mega Mansion. Lights. That's lights. Oh, this is a bowling area. Like by Mega Mansion. That's wall. Okay, screen. Plan. Ooh, I did like that. Okay. Oh my god, there's so much plan. Oh my god, there's so much. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I am from United States, but this is. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I am what is this? This is the novella. Okay, so what is this? Popcorn. Oh my god, is this a movie theater? Okay, so I'm guessing this is a movie theater. Oh my god, is this a movie theater? I'm guessing this is a movie waterfall. Is this a movie theater? What is this? Okay, we need a ceiling. We always need a ceiling. What is this? Okay, check for lights. We need a ceiling. Oh my god. We always need a ceiling. We always need speakers. Check for lights. Oh my god. Sofa. Oh my god. We always need speakers. Okay. Sofa. Let's get a wall. Oh my god, this is getting better. Okay. Wall. Let's get a wall. Of course. Oh my god. I'm just draining my money. Of course, it kind of glitched a little. Draining my money. What is this? It kind of glitched. More stuff. Why is this everything expensive? How do I stuff? Why is this everything expensive? How do I? I'm stuck out there. Okay. How much percent am I? 96%. Let's go. 96%. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Card 96%. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Card display. Light. Oh my gosh. $18 million for a card display. That is so expensive. At least I'm getting dollars for a card display. That is so expensive. But at least I'm getting better. Imagine how real backdrop. Oh my god. Chair. Imagine how. Oh my god. Chair. Oh my god. This is getting much better. Art. Oh my god. Art. This is getting much better. Art. We always need some art. Left. We always need some art. Hold on. Arrow. Left. Oh my gosh. Hold on. 99% of the house. Oh my god. 99% of the house. Oh my god. Where is the next button? Hold on. I need to do a little bit more. Oh, what is this? Where is the next button? What is this? Oh no, let's just buy the wall. Oh, what is this button? Hold on. Oh, that's a nice wall. Let's just buy the wall. Dude, that's a nice wall. Okay, ceiling, light. Dude, this is actually getting better. Okay, ceiling, light, and table. Almost at 100%. Okay, let's go. Okay, 90. Almost. No thanks. I don't have enough Robux to buy. Okay, let's go. Okay, 90. Oh my god. No thanks. I don't have enough Robux to buy. Okay, so almost 100%. But I don't know where is the other button. I need a button. Almost 100%, but I don't know where is the other button. Oh, there's one more. I need a button. Hold on, I gotta follow the arrow. I bet we can finish this with $300 million. I bet we can finish this with $300 million. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, what is this? Okay, we're almost done. Okay, what is this? Let's go! Let's go! 100%! 100%! And let's go! 100%! And there's more buttons. Yes! Let's go! 100%! Let's go! Yes, I finished it! Let's go! 100%! Let's go! Dude, I finished it! I literally finished it!
Civil authorities has issued a child weather warning. Civil danger warning. Child abduction has been issued from Southland County to the request of the Washington, D.C. Police Department. She is 12 years old, sized to be 130 pounds. Has Mario shared thunderstorm producing a tornado. This storm is very dangerous. Quickly call 911 shelter on the child. Call 911. If no shelter is available, lie down instead. You are indoors, you're outdoors, close to the substantial shelter. Protect yourself from debris. This tornado has been issued. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
Seek shelter if you find it, or call 911 if you see it. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
This is not a test. We are sorry to interrupt our programming, but this is a national emergency for the emergency alert system. All programs should be an emergency alert system. There is a flower named Cagney carnation. If you see the flower, call 911. I repeat, call 911. I'm serious. If you got me, maybe we should over soon. But also, what if you're not to a message? If there is an all-clear message and if you survive this, then you could have your life back. But this is not a test. This is not a test. I know. I'm sorry like the roses die from the flower. But the emergency alert system said, do not stay away from the flowers. It may beg you to stay away from the flowers. If you're still alive, goodbye, my fellows. See you later.
Updates on this dangerous situation. No shelter is available. Lie down in the nearest. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning. The National Weather Service of Michigan issued a tornado warning in North County, South County, East County, thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This storm is very dangerous and can quickly grab you. Shelter on the lowest no shelter is available. Lie down in the nearest ditch. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you're outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. Protect yourself from flying debris. This tornado has been issued in Michigan. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
We're trying to attack the others. We're trying to attack Cagney carnation. And the President of the United States will be there soon, but I'm not going to make one for the United States. I hope you're survived and stay tuned for more updates in this dangerous situation.
This is stop number one, Bill, because his
This is an all-clear message of the emergency alert system.
Civil authorities have issued a child abduction warning from the following counties. A child abduction has been issued for your following counties. The child is named Jack Robinson. She is 12 years old, 5 feet, 130 pounds, has Mario shoes, pink panther shirt, blue pants. This storm is very dangerous. If you see the child, call 911. I repeat, if you see the child, call 911. If no shelter is available, lie down in the nearest stitch. If you are indoors, stay
Clear,
indoors.
I repeat,
if you're
all
outdoors,
clear. The
move
following
to the
message has been
substantial
translated
shelter
to the
and protect
request of
yourself
the
from
United
flying
States
debris.
government. The cop
This
killed
tornado has
Cagney
been issued
carnation.
in Michigan. Stay tuned
Also,
for more
Cuphead and
updates on this
Mugman are
dangerous
happy because they
situation.
defeated Cagney carnation. You can exit out of your shelters now. Bye bye, we go back to regular programming.